Hello, beautiful soul. I'm so glad you're here, and welcome to this space made for soothing, comforting, and reconnecting with your inner child. Inside each of us lives a younger version who still longs to feel safe, seen, cherished, and supported. Giving that part of yourself attention can be one of the most liberating experiences in your healing journey. Somewhere in these affirmations, there is a line that may feel like a deep breath for your heart. If you notice which one truly lands with you, feel free to share it. Repeat these words daily for the next 21 days and allow them to gently transform your energy. You can say them out loud, whisper them internally, or simply listen and let them sink in. Before we begin, let's take a slow, intentional breath together. Inhale all the way in. Hold for a moment, and exhale, letting everything soften. Beautiful. Let's begin. I am worthy of tenderness and care. I honor every part of who I am. I am enough, exactly as I am. Love is my birthright. I am safe within myself. I allow my true self to shine. I give myself the love I once needed. I hold my inner child with compassion. I welcome playfulness into my life. Joy is something I deserve. I treat myself with kindness. I move through life with patience. It is safe for me to feel and be vulnerable. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I release resentment toward others. I release resentment toward myself. My past does not define my worth. My inner child is present and valued. I trust myself to choose what is right for me. I open my life to joy. I speak to myself with gentleness. I meet myself with understanding. I am healing old hurts through love. My experiences have shaped my strength. I celebrate the progress I've made. I deserve comfort, peace, and protection. I choose calmness and clarity. I give myself permission to dream. I meet my past with compassion. I am no longer held down by old wounds. I forgive myself for what I didn't know then. I honor the child within. I cherish who I was and who I have become. I believe in my journey and my potential. I lay down the burdens that are not mine to carry. I am free from the fear of judgment. I welcome wonder, curiosity, and adventure. I am whole. I am complete. I love myself more each day. And that brings us to the end of today's affirmations. Let's close with one last deep breath. Inhale slowly, filling your chest and belly. And exhale, letting your whole body soften. I hope you feel held, supported, and uplifted after this session. No matter how your childhood looked, every one of us carries memories and emotions that can shape the way we move through life. Healing the inner child helps you release old pains and reconnect with joy, creativity, and the parts of yourself that deserve space to grow. It's not only about healing wounds. It's also about remembering how to wonder, how to laugh, how to feel alive in the simplest moments. And that is a gift you can give yourself every day. Thank you for sharing this time with me. It truly means so much. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Until then, take good care and have a beautiful, light-filled day.